Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Siti Nasafwana binti Daim, Matric ID 2022431122. I'm from NBH8A. Today I will present on the topic the future workforce, preparing organizations in the age of generational diversity. This presentation explains how organizations manage employees from different generations and how they adapt to changes in the workplace. Today's workplaces are made up of multiple generations working together, including baby boomers, Generation X, millennials, and Generation Z. Each generation has different values, expectations, and ways of working. For example, older employees may prefer traditional communication, while younger employees prefer digital tools. Because of these differences, organizations must adapt their strategies to ensure smooth teamwork and better performance among employees. Generational diversity means having employees from different age groups working in the same organization. First, it involves different working styles where each generation prefers different ways of completing tasks. Second, it includes different communication styles such as face-to-face or digital communication. Third, it also involves different expectations where employees have different goals such as job stability, career growth, or flexibility. Overall, generational diversity makes the workplace more dynamic but also more complex. Each generation has its own characteristics. Baby boomers prefer structured and stable work environment and value long-term job security. Generation X is more independent and values work-life balance. Millennials are focused on teamwork and meaningful work that give them purpose. Generation Z is highly tech-savvy, prefers flexible work arrangements, and likes fast feedback. These differences influence how employees behave and interact at work. One major challenge is communication gaps. Different generations prefer different ways of communication, such as face-to-face or digital communication. Another challenge is work expectation. Younger employees may prefer flexibility, while older employees value stability and structure. These differences can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or conflict in the workplace. If not managed properly, it may affect teamwork. One major trend is the rise of Generation Z in the workforce. This generation expects flexible working arrangement and meaningful work. Another trend is the demand for hybrid and remote work, where employees want more flexibility in how and where they work. Digital transformation is also increasing, with more companies using technology and artificial intelligence in daily operations. For example, Google provides flexible work options and digital tools to support employees. Meanwhile, Microsoft focuses on reskilling programs to help employees adapt to new technology. In addition, employee well-being and mental health are becoming very important in today's workplace. Many organizations are already adapting to a generational diversity. For example, Google supports flexible working arrangement to attract younger employees. Microsoft invests in training and reskilling programs to support employees from different generations. In Malaysia, companies are also adapting. For example, Petronas focuses on leadership development and continuous learning for employees. This helps prepare employees for future challenges. Meanwhile, Maybank is actively going through digital transformation, which requires employees from all generations to learn and adapt to new systems. This example shows that generational diversity is a real issue that organizations must manage effectively. Organizations can manage generational diversity through several strategies. First, training programs help employees improve their skills and adapt to changes in the workplace. Second, flexible work systems allow employees to choose working arrangement that suits their needs. Third, inclusive leadership is important, where leaders respect and understand all generations equally. Fourth, Mentorship programs are useful, where senior employees share their experience and younger employees share their digital knowledge. For example, International Business Machines Corporation (IBM) uses mentorship programs to encourage knowledge sharing between generations. Telecom Malaysia also provides continuous digital learning to support employee development. These strategies have improved teamwork and organization performance. In conclusion, generational diversity is an important part of today's workforce. It brings both challenges and opportunities. Challenges include communication gaps and different expectations, but it also brings innovation and new ideas. Therefore, organizations must adapt their strategies to manage different generations effectively. When managed well, generational diversity can become a strength that helps organizations succeed in the future. Thank you.